Hi and happy Sunday and welcome to Trendy Options. Here we are with our blueprint going into the 16th of April. And tonight, the futures open here in about, what, 6 hours? And I'm pretty excited. Lots of people, wow, this is going to be a shocker. Lots of people think it's going up and lots of people think it's going down. What do you think? I don't want you to think too much about it. What I want you to do is take action into the zones, right? Unfortunately, what's been happening a lot is our zones are being hit for the first time in futures in sessions, and the percentage of the room does not trade futures. Now, I am a futures trader and I've really laid off of it. I've given you guys entries and exits, but I need to start bringing it back into existence, right? Because you guys need to see how much money I can actually make doing this, or how much money I could lose, right? I want you to see how the zones work, and I'm going to start incorporating those a lot more into our trading. All right. So that's exciting for some of you. Some of you might not be very interested. Um, Looking at ES, remember, this is the vehicle that we can use to trade SPX and SPY. You literally do not need your SPX or your SPY chart. You can take positions straight out of here. All right. They're pretty much lined up to the T. All right. I encourage you guys to take a look. All right. And I'll show you right now since we have Sunday and there's so much time. Okay. SPY. I don't know how that came up. SPX. Let's put that baby in here. I just want you guys to look at the numbers. So over here, we're at 2659 is where we closed. 265. Okay. 265. 265. 265 on the SPX. Wow. Right? Now, you guys know all these are in rhythm, right? You understand that. All right, I just want you guys to understand that. They're all in rhythm. So if the LIS is support and we open above it and we start to come down and we want to take a scalp here, guess what? You can buy the SPX call right here, okay? And depending on candle formation, I'll give you a target and we'll make sure that our risk to reward makes sense. If we open down and we come up and we test LIS and we believe it's a downtrend for the day, we want to take a scalp. We could buy a SPX put position and we want to look at our risk to reward. Okay, so say all candle formations stay the same. Well, I'm giving you this right here. LIS is here. If we short down to here, you get 21 points. It's a lot of money. If we go long here, 28 points. All right, so I just want to show you that really quick. Now, as far as the blueprint goes, going into tonight or today at 4 my time, 6 o'clock New York time, LIS is sitting around 26.57. We got a T1 to the downside at 26.36, T2 down at 26.21, T3 at 26.09, and as you can see, this falls right in line with the average trading range. Up to the upside here, T1 28 points, 26.85, T2 to so I'm T2, I'm spread between 46 and 53 points. And the reason why is because we have that bell curve here, okay? And that bell curve, basically what it is from that January high to the February low. And now price is trending up in that range, okay? Overall, it's downtrend. However, once we break the 61.8 and can hold above, guess what? That downtrend that everybody's been really upset about, that downtrend is broken. All right, as long as we can close and continue an uptrend from the 2746 area. Okay, right here is a very, very crucial part into the bell curve. All right, again, that's where the bears and the bulls battle, and whoever has the most money is going to win. All right, that's how that works. So let's go to 1 hour here. Okay, so you can read some of this stuff a little bit better. There you go. And T3 at 27.20, T4 at 27.46. This is where I want to see price go, you know, because I'm a big bull. And this is where I want to see price get to, okay? This right here, short term, T1 right here. We're going to have some resistance here, guys. T2, 27.05. Some of you guys have 27.04. Just depends on how accurate your Fibonacci is, okay? So this is what we're looking at. And if you take this and you look at the NQ, the NASDAQ, you look at the DIA, the Dow, or you look at the RTY, you're going to see that all these charts look the same. All right. There's no difference between them. They pretty much all run in sync. Okay. Now, we're not talking about gold or bonds or anything like that. You want to make sure that you can incorporate those as well to kind of see what kind of day we're coming into. All right. So for right now, here's our blueprint. I look forward to the 4 o'clock opening here in Colorado. I may actually take some positions tonight into futures, depending on how much volume there is. We'll see. All right, but typically I don't like to trade futures until intraday. Plus, I got that intraday um, account, right? Anything above 25,000, you can ask for that, and you can trade these for a little bit cheaper than normal. Typically during the day, if you're under 25,000, you're looking at, I think it's around $6,700 right now. I could be wrong, or maybe it went up. I typically don't pay attention, but about $6,700 a contract. If you guys have any more questions about futures or the correlation between the ES, the SPX, and the SPY, please don't hesitate. Please ask me. I look forward to an awesome week. There's some things that I'm working on going into this week as well. I want to work on the Discord channel and make it a little bit cleaner, a little bit prettier. And also, if you guys have any suggestions, please hit me up, send me a DM, right click on my name in Discord, and send me a direct message. I appreciate it. Have a happy Sunday, and we'll see you tonight and or tomorrow.